This is our new LED moonlight kit. In each kit, there will be 4 LED strips for your floorboard lights, and then there's going to be 6 of these light emitters. That's going to be for fiber optic type installation. This is the fiber optic cable, and this is the sleeves that they go into. Once you plug into these lights right here, they will glow up into these little strips. And then there's a sleeve for you to slip over to install into little seam areas. As you can see, these have little side edges, so you can stuff them in. Once you insert it into the LED, strip will glow up to so. And there's really no limitation, however long length that you want. It comes with 10 feet of glow lighting strips. Trim this to the length that you want, and then this is the sleeve over for you to install into the seams. So the LEDs here have a little screw hold on the glow emitting piece. This is Bluetooth enabled, so you use your app to change the colors on it. So it's currently set to a certain speed. You can slow it down more, or you can speed it up to where it just glow by itself. And this is the QR code that you'll scan to download the app. It also includes 4 strips for you to install on the footwell, so that your footwell lights will sync with it, where you can install it wherever you feel like. Driver and a cloth for you to help you guide the tubing into the seams that you're going to be installing into. So this is the complete accessory that comes with the kit. Total package is going to be $110 shipped. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.